Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to remove your tans from your hands and feet and also the dark part of your body. This pack is not for face, only for hands and feet as well as for the dark parts of your skin. I want to tell you why our hands are getting more tanned. Because guys, we are not taking care of our hands. Usually we forgot to take care of our hands, or else we are just keeping to protect our hands and arms. So sun exposure also makes the skin dry and increase the sign of premature aging. We are mostly what we are doing, we are caring on our face, but we are not caring for our hands. So weekly once, if you do this thing, you can see how your hands, feet and the dark parts of your body will be will be removed easily within 15 minutes. So to start this remedy, here I am having curd. This is my homemade curd. If you are not having homemade curd, you can take it yogurt, or else you can get the curd from the market also. So here I have taken 2 spoon of curd. As I have told you all the benefits in my all videos also, so again I am going to repeat it. Curd is having lactic acid that makes it the best anti-aging ingredient to be included in your skincare regime. It prevents the wrinkles and the appearance of fine lines, and also it will tighten your uh, the skin also, and also gives us radiant. My second ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is good for our skin. It is slightly acidic. This acid mantle helps from the protective barrier, and also it is important for our skin health also. Baking soda removes and protects the oil barrier and alters its pH and disturb the natural bacteria on the surface, and it helps to prevent infection also. So here I am having baking soda. Take 1 spoonful of baking soda for my both hands and feet, as well as for the dark parts of the body. Okay guys, here I am taking 1 spoon. 1 to 2 spoon is there, because some are the raw is also here. I am going to mix this thing well. See guys, keep in your mind, whenever you are doing remedy, you have to take it equal amount of the same all ingredients. The third ingredient is here hydrogen peroxide. Only to worry guys, this is not any kind of acidic solution or anything you will hurt. This is nothing but a solution which is used by medical staffs for cuts, bruises and also for burns. Here we are going to use this one to lighten our skin, as well as it reduces the color saturated of age spots and also blemishes. So this is not going to harm you, no need to worry. So here I am going to take 1 spoonful of hydrogen peroxide. So here I am going to take 1 spoonful of hydrogen peroxide. See how it works. And then last but not least, I am going to have a lemon. I am going to take a lemon. Lemon is full of high pH level, and also it decreases the inflammation and oil that can contribute to formation of acne. Also it is good for our skin. It removes the dead cells from our skin. So we have to remove the dead cells from our darkened parts of our body. So here I am going to take 1 spoonful of lemon. That's it guys, our pack is ready for hands and feet. What you have to do is, you just need to apply this pack on your hands, feet and as well as the darkened area. If you're having any scar, any what is that, cut or any burns, that place only you just leave it, and then you have to apply with the help of a brush, and then leave it for 15 minutes, and then you can see this how it works. And then please don't forget to comment me I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.